Hi, my name is Drake Evans, and the project that I built is called fileNotes. And it is a sort of bare bones, very simple application, a desktop application designed to allow the user to create note files that they can associate with the files on their computer without attaching those notes as metadata. So depending on your experiences, you may run into the situation where you're working on projects that have a very strict naming convention. That could be the result of the fact that they're external documents meant for clients, and so the naming convention can't just be version where I added X feature, and a lot of companies they don't have nice version control systems like Git, where you have commit messages, right? So you're literally just saving the file as version today's date, 0.1, 0.2, and it can be. You probably find yourself in the situation of clicking a file, opening it, trying to decide which version this is, especially if you're coming back a little bit later. So I'll just give a demo of kind of an example. So I have a few resumes. They're all different. Has a strict naming convention because I have to send it out to people. So let's just we navigate sort of this is my actual file system. So it's written in an Electron app, and which allows us to render sort of a page as a browser window, and that's the UI. So this is actually written with React. And the nice thing about Electron is that it also gives you access to all the Node file system modules. So I'll just show an example. So this is a few resumes that I have sort of active at the moment, and I've added notes here. This is my full stack resume. I might add this, this is the 2-page resume, extended, and now these notes are sort of saved and persist as I open and close the app, but gives me the ability to differentiate between different files. Another time this might be useful is when you're looking at open source projects, and if you're in the situation of you're reading it for the first time, trying to remember what different files are, great way to take notes and sort of just jog your memory. I implemented this using Electron, React, and a database which was originally SQLite, but is actually now just a JSONified object stored to a text file. But it's fast and it gets the job done. And that is my Stackathon.